Hello friends, day 95, and I cracked the rest of the Great Glen way as far as Gualainn, where I turned off and headed for Spean Bridge. Stocked up with food at Spean Bridge because I reckon it's another 3 or 4 days to the next shop this time. So I've got plenty of food, and it's been raining most of the day, but I did see a red squirrel today, first one I've seen on this trip. So that was fun. They're much cuter than the grey squirrels. Having left the long distance trails now for a little while, I had quite a tricky job getting through one of the footpaths I had to use going towards Spean Bridge, and I've put a bit of footage of that in. It's one of the disadvantages of not being on one of the marked trails, but that's the way it is, and I will undoubtedly see you on the trail. This is my beautiful view this evening as I begin my climb up into the mountains. Not bad for a room with a view again, is it?